Imagine the invisible thunder of a stealthy predator vanishing into enemy radars like a ghost in the machine. Its single afterburning engine howling as it unleashes precision strikes from beyond visual range. Dominating skies with godlike sensor fusion, or could this trillion-dollar marvel, America's crown jewel of air power, finally crack under the swarm of cheap drones? And hypersonic threats in 2025's brutal battles, exposing a chink in its invisible armor? Buckle up, aviation thrill seekers, because on Defense Digest, we're rocketing into the electrifying legend of the Lockheed Martin F-35 and Lightning II, the U.S. Air Force's conventional takeoff variant that's redefined fifth-generation warfare as a multirole stealth fighter. And grip every supersonic second till the mind-blowing end reveals the latest upgrades that could either seal its supremacy or doom it in. Eye-driven dogfights slam that, like if stealth jets set your pulse racing. Subscribe and hammer the bell for more heart-pounding exposes. And drop a fiery comment below. What's your ultimate matchup? F-35A versus Su-57, and could it outstealth the hypersonic horde? Born from the Joint Strike Fighter program in the 1990s, the F-35A soared on its maiden flight in 2006, achieving initial operational capability in 2016 as a single-engine beast, stretching 51.4 feet long with a 35-foot wingspan and 13.1-foot height, tipping the scales at 66,000 pounds max takeoff, powered by a Pratt & Whitney F135 turbofan belting 43,000 pounds of thrust with afterburner delivering raw power that catapults it to Mach 1.6 or 1,200 miles per hour top speed, cruising a 1,200 nautical mile combat radius extendable with aerial refueling and climbing to 50,000 feet, all while its radar-absorbent coatings and internal bays shrink its signature to a golf ball size, hauling up to 18,000 pounds of strike power with ordnance like AIM-120 aims for air-to-air kills, JDAMs and Stormbreakers for ground-pounding precision strikes, and even nuclear-capable B-61 bombs, fused through advanced sensors, helmet-mounted displays, and distributed aperture systems that give pilots 360-degree God vision for air superiority, close air support, electronic warfare, and ISR in contested zones. Built at a staggering unit cost of around $80 million, part of a program exceeding $1.7 trillion in lifetime expenses, the F-35A has over 1,000 units delivered worldwide by 2025, starring in ops like Israel's Gaza missions and U.S. Pacific exercises, but 2025 amps. The drama with Lot 17 production featuring Block 4 upgrades like enhanced electronic warfare, improved computing for drone teaming, and sensor fusion via new chipsets, as Finland rolls out its first in October, bolstering multi-mission might amid rising threats. Picture it in fury, slicing undetected through enemy airspace, networking with allies for surgical bunker busts, yet vulnerabilities to cyber hacks and drone swarms build suspense. Will AI shields fortify it, or quantum radars unravel its cloak? As this lightning fades into the horizon, laden with unspoken payloads and veiled tech, the edge-of-your-seat thriller peaks. What fatal exploit lurks next, and how will hypersonic integrations redefine its bolt? Don't eject now, devour every riveting Mac. Like if this shocked you from the start, comment your lightning theories to spark the storm, share with your squadron for the buzz. And subscribe to Defense Digest for endless epics on the jets that own the ozone, because the next stealth strike could flash anytime. Stay electrified, sky stormers.